Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the horizon, waiting to be discovered? Imagine embarking upon a global adventure where every turn reveals a new surprise. Picture the thrill of stepping onto unfamiliar soil, the exhilaration of exploring hidden corners of our world. Think about the beauty of our planet, a tapestry of landscapes from towering mountains to vast deserts, lush rainforests to sparkling oceans. Envision immersing yourself in a vibrant array of cultures, each one distinct, each one fascinating. Imagine the delight of tasting exotic cuisines, each bite a new flavor, a new story. There's a certain magic in venturing into the unknown, in stepping out of your comfort zone. It's about more than just sightseeing. It's about embracing diverse experiences, about gaining new perspectives. As we embark on this virtual journey, prepare to uncover the magic and mystery of our beautiful planet. Imagine standing on the highest peak in the world, gazing at the vastness below. Let's embark on an adrenaline-fueled journey that stretches from the snow-covered peaks of Everest to the deepest point in the world, the Mariana Trench. Picture this. You're at the roof of the world, surrounded by the mighty Himalayas. The air is thin, every breath is a struggle, but the sense of accomplishment is unparalleled. The journey to Everest's summit isn't for the faint-hearted. It's a grueling test of endurance and willpower, an epic battle against the elements, braving chilly winds, treacherous icefalls, and the infamous death zone where oxygen is so scarce that the human body starts to shut down. Yet the allure of standing atop the world where few have dared to tread is an irresistible draw for many an adventurer. Now let's swap the frosty mountain air for the crushing pressures of the ocean depths. From Everest we plunge some 36,000 feet below sea level to the Mariana Trench, the deepest part of our oceans. The journey to this remote trench in the western Pacific Ocean is a descent into the unknown. It's a world of perpetual darkness where strange, alien-like creatures make their home. The challenges of reaching the trench are immense. The pressure here is over 1,000 times greater than at sea level, enough to crush a submarine like a soda can. And yet, the rewards are equally significant. Unraveling the mysteries of this deep-sea world offers insights into the very origins of life on Earth. From the heights to the depths, our planet presents opportunities for adventure like no other. Each extreme environment, with its unique challenges and rewards, beckons the brave and the bold, inviting us to push our limits and explore the unexplored. Whether you're standing on the highest peak or descending into the deepest trench, you're part of an extraordinary tale of human endeavor and curiosity. From the heights to the depths, our planet presents opportunities for adventure like no other. Picture yourself on an uninhabited island, far from the hustle and bustle of civilization. Imagine the tranquility, the untouched beauty that surrounds you, the rhythm of the waves singing their eternal song. This is not a dream, but a reality for those who dare to venture into the remote and uninhabited corners of our world. These places are not for the faint-hearted. Each step taken is a step into the unknown, a step away from the familiar, a step towards discovery. But the rewards are immeasurable. Here, in these remote places, you can truly experience the essence of nature in its rawest form. The uninhabited islands of our world are more than just places of solitude. They are living museums, home to unique ecosystems and species that you won't find anywhere else. Each island tells its own fascinating story, a tale of survival and adaptation, of evolution and diversity. But it's not just about the islands. The remote villages scattered across our planet offer another kind of adventure. Here you have the opportunity to interact with indigenous tribes, to witness their unique ways of life, untouched by the fast-paced modern world. From the Samburu of Kenya, who have maintained their traditional nomadic lifestyle for centuries, to the Kogi of Colombia, who believe they exist to care for the world and keep its natural order functioning, each tribe offers a unique perspective on life. These interactions are not just about observing, they're about learning, understanding, and appreciating. They're about recognizing the value of different cultures and the wisdom they hold. They're about finding common ground, despite our differences, and realizing that at our core, we are all human. These unexplored corners of the earth remind us of our primal roots and the beauty of simplicity. They challenge our perceptions, broaden our horizons, and inspire us to seek out new experiences. They remind us that the world is a vast, diverse, and fascinating place, full of adventures waiting to be had. And they invite us to step out of our comfort zones and embrace the unknown because, after all, isn't that what adventure is all about? Now, imagine the pulsating energy of the world's greatest metropolises. It's a shift from the tranquil isolation of untouched islands and remote villages to the bustling streets of the world's most iconic cities. It's an entirely different kind of adventure, but every bit as thrilling. Let's start with the city that never sleeps, New York. This concrete jungle where dreams are made of is an explorer's delight. Every corner turned, every street crossed, unfolds a new story. From the towering heights of the Empire State Building to the sprawling expanse of Central Park, New York is a testament to the power of human ambition. The city's diverse neighborhoods, each with its own unique identity, are a melting pot of cultures from around the globe. Then there's Tokyo, a city that seamlessly blends the traditional with the ultra-modern. It's a city where ancient temples coexist with skyscrapers, where you can witness the centuries-old tea ceremony in the morning and marvel at state-of-the-art robotics in the afternoon. Tokyo's vibrant street life and world-renowned cuisine offer endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. And let's not forget London, a city steeped in history and tradition, yet always looking to the future. From the majestic Houses of Parliament and the iconic Big Ben to the eclectic boroughs that surround the River Thames, London offers a rich tapestry of experiences. It's a place where history lives alongside cutting-edge art and fashion, where the past and present meet and intertwine. These urban jungles, with their dizzying pace and ceaseless energy, offer a different kind of thrill. Every street, every neighborhood, every city has its own rhythm, its own heartbeat. They are living, breathing entities that change and evolve, just like the people who call them home. These cities are more than just bricks and mortar, glass and steel. They are the physical embodiment of human dreams, aspirations, and achievements. Exploring these metropolises, navigating their labyrinthine streets, immersing oneself in their unique cultures, is every bit as exhilarating as scaling a mountain peak or diving into the ocean's depths. The urban jungles, with their unending energy, tell us stories of human ambition and achievements. But why limit ourselves to Earth? That's the question that's been echoing throughout the corridors of innovation, sparking the birth of a new era of exploration, space tourism. This isn't just science fiction anymore. It's the dawn of a reality where we, as everyday individuals, can aspire to reach the stars, to venture beyond the confines of our home planet, and to experience the ultimate adventure. Imagine gazing out at the vast expanse of the cosmos, seeing Earth suspended in the inky void, a glowing blue marble against the backdrop of infinity. That's the promise of space tourism, a journey not just across physical distance, but also a voyage to the very edges of what we thought possible. Leading the charge in this revolution are pioneers like SpaceX and Virgin Galactic. They are rewriting the rules, turning the improbable into the possible, and the possible into the real. SpaceX, under the leadership of Elon Musk, is developing spacecraft capable of ferrying passengers to and from the International Space Station, and even one day to Mars. Virgin Galactic, on the other hand, is focusing on suborbital flights, offering passengers the thrill of weightlessness and the spectacle of Earth from space. And this is just the beginning. The future of space tourism holds possibilities we can hardly fathom today. Lunar vacations, asteroid mining trips, even interstellar travel. These may sound like the stuff of dreams, but remember, so was space tourism a mere few decades ago. The cost of such trips is, of course, astronomical at present. But with advancements in technology and increased competition, we could see a future where space tourism becomes as commonplace as taking a flight across the Atlantic. The barriers to entry are being dismantled, one innovation at a time. Space, the final frontier, is no longer beyond our reach. It's the ultimate adventure, waiting for us to take that giant leap. This is not just a quote from a science fiction show anymore. It's a prophecy, a promise of what's to come. And it's a call to all of us to look up at the stars and dream of the day when we can reach out and touch them. So, why do we seek adventure? It's more than just the thrill of the unknown, the allure of the unexplored. It's about the joy of discovery, that pulsating heartbeat as we uncover a new terrain, a new culture, a new perspective. Adventure stirs within us a sense of wonder, a curiosity that yearns to be quenched. And as we journey through the winding trails of the world, we're not just mapping out new landscapes, we're also charting the contours of our own character. Stepping out of our comfort zones, we learn resilience, courage, and adaptability. We understand our strengths, acknowledge our weaknesses, and in the process, we grow. Every journey leaves an indelible mark on us, shaping us into better versions of ourselves. So you see, adventure is not just about exploring the world, it's about exploring ourselves. It's about finding our place in this vast, beautiful universe.